All right, mate. What's next on the chopping block? Chicken. Chicken. Let's talk poultry. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to quickly take apart a chicken and the different pieces we can use, and then we're gonna actually cook our chicken. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take off our wing tips and our wings. So we've got wing tips and wings. The tips are great for stock and the wings are great for eating. I'm gonna leave the other wings attached, the bottom part of the wing, because we're gonna cut chicken supreme. So chicken supreme is basically the chicken breast with the skin on and the one bone still attached. It'll make for great presentation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the fat or the skin in between the legs. We're gonna turn the bird over and we're gonna pop it out of the socket. So you're gonna pop the bone from the socket. You're gonna take your knife underneath the wing and you're gonna work it across through that bone that was popped in the socket, and there you go. You have one leg thigh. We're gonna take our thumb on the joint, pop that, and then you have your other leg thigh pieces. So let's clean these up. So where the joint moves, there's a line on the back here. This is where you're gonna run your knife right through the joint so that it's a nice and easy quick cut. If your knife gets stuck, you're not going through the right part of the ball joint where it's the easiest to cut. So there we go. We're just gonna clean the fat off of these thighs a bit. There you go. We have our two thighs, two drums. Now let's take the chicken breast. So the chicken breast is your two lobes. It's divided by the center bit of cartilage here. We're just gonna go on either side of that and then run our knife down along the rib cage, and then not going through the wishbone here, because that's gonna have it break in our chicken. And then again, right where this joint is over here, you're just gonna run your knife through. And there you have a beautiful chicken supreme. So again, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the fat, and then we're going to French the bone. We're gonna take our knife and run it around the wing bone. And then we're gonna peel it back. And from the back side, we're just gonna chop through the cartilage a bit here. And that's gonna give us a beautiful bone that when it cooks, it's gonna help add to the presentation. So let's go to the other chicken breast. So if you didn't want a chicken supreme, you prefer to have it as just a boneless, skinless chicken breast, you can remove the fat, just peel it right off. It's not very hard. And then what can you do? Whammy! There you go. What can you do with the boneless, skinless chicken breasts? You can cut them into pieces, saute them into stir fries, take out the chicken tender here and bread them and make chicken fingers for your kids, whatever you like to do. So just to recap, we have our two chicken supremes, we have our drums, our thighs, our wings, and then we have our pieces for the wing tips for stock. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna cook up those chicken breasts for Laura. Thank you for requesting on our Instagram how to make chicken boobies. So we're gonna pan sear these chicken supremes, finish them in the oven, very simple.